So we're going to look at a couple of line plots. All this does is it tells us how often a number came up. So the first question is 13 students went to a putt-putt course, and we're tallying how many shots it took them to finish the 5th hole. So this means that 2 students got a hole in 1. So we just write this out, 1, 1. 3 students, it took 2 shots to get. Then it took 2 students 3 shots to achieve the score. 4 students scored a 4 on it, and 2 students got a 5 on it. And just from looking at it, we can tell that the mode is 4 that came up the most. The median is going to be the middle number. We don't have to list all the numbers out there. We could go through like we did if we list about, let's take care of the first 4, we'll take care of the back 4, cross out the 2, we cross out the 4, cross out the 3, we cross out the 4, and we have a 3 left. So the median here would be 3. And the find the mean or the average, we take all those numbers there, we add them up. That's going to give us 40. And there were 13 students, so 40 divided by 13 is about 3.077. So just be sure to round it to whatever it asks you to. So if this was rounded to the nearest tenth, it would be 3.1. The next one is very similar. We just look at the data this time. The median is the number that comes up the most. That's going to be 4 because 4 came up 4 times again. I'm sorry, that's the mode. The median is the middle number, so let's list them all out since we're going to need it for finding the average. So we're going to add all these numbers up and then divide by 14. Adding all the numerators up there will give us 44. And 44 divided by 14 is about 3.1428. And no, that's not the number pi, but it's pretty close to it. So the average is about 3.14. Just be sure to round it to the right place. The question will indicate it. The median number is the middle number. Since we have an even amount of numbers, that means we're going to need to average the middle 2. So let's cross out the first 3. We'll cross out the last 3. Cross out the next 2 numbers. Cross out the right 2 numbers. Cross out the 3. Cross out the 4. And we have a 3 and a 4 left. So that means the average of those 2 numbers is 3.5. And the median is 3.5. If you have any kind of questions, ask your math teacher.